The oil life monitoring system in your 2019-2021 Chevy Blazer estimates oil degradation based on mileage, engine conditions, and driving habits. After each oil change, it's crucial to reset the monitor to ensure accurate future tracking and prevent false low oil alerts. First, make sure your vehicle is parked, the engine is off, but the key is in the on position. Then, locate the trip odometer button on the instrument cluster. Press it repeatedly until you see oil life remaining displayed on the driver information center. Once there, press and hold the trip button for 3 to 5 seconds. The display should reset to 100%, potentially showing a reset confirmation message. If your DIC lacks a dedicated button, some users report success using the steering wheel controls or briefly starting the engine during the process. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. While the de-ice method is generally reliable, sometimes issues arise. If the reset fails, an optional OBD2 scanner like Blue Driver can be used for confirmation or as an alternative reset method. It's crucial to reset only after a proper oil change. The system estimates oil condition. It does not directly measure oil quality. Improper resets won't affect immediate engine health, but could impact warranty claims if service schedules are tied to the monitor. Be aware that this reset procedure doesn't diagnose underlying hardware problems. If you continue to receive low oil warnings even after resetting, have your ECM sensors inspected by a professional. Automotive experts generally recommend resetting after each change, but neglect is common, leading to unnecessary service visits. Proper oil life management reduces oil consumption and extends engine life. As a final note, while future vehicles are trending towards smartphone app-based resets, 2019-2021 Blazers primarily rely on the DIC.